Hi, I'm Jody from Culling Property Group. If you've been craving the coastal lifestyle, number 17 Hiawatha Road, Minnie Water might be just what you're after. Let me show you through. This spacious family home is spread over 2 levels. It offers 5 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, 2 renovated bathrooms, ocean views to the front, and National Park to the rear with a massive shed that has rear access. What more could you want? Boating, fishing, swimming and surfing, but don't want the crowds, 17 Hiawatha Road, Minnie Water might be just what you're after.